Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Shopify free trial and how to get started. So once you head over to the Shopify website, guys, you will be greeted with this information that you can start Shopify for free and then enjoy €1 per month for 3 months. That's amazing. That's literally amazing because that actually gives you a full 3 months, really, where you pay absolutely not much, right? Just €1 to be able to test your shop, test your products. And of course, if business pick up within that few days or weeks or months, then you will be able to pay for the subscription going forward, right? So all you have to do to really get started, guys, is to enter your email address and answer a few questions, right? So enter your email address, get started, and you'll be able to just answer a few simple, easy questions from Shopify, how you will be using it, and all these kind of questions, right? So simple, easy questions that I really don't even have to show you what it is. Just enter your email address, get started, and it is super easy. The only thing I will mention to you right here is that once you go through the process, you will be taken over to the section where you have to enter your credit card details, and you will be greeted with this message that said that you can pay for the subscription right now and get it for €1, right? So you'll be able to just verify your card, you will not be charged, and you'll be able to get started, right? And how does that work is that once you get started, you get like this 3 days for free, and after 3 days you will be charged like this €1. I believe that's how it is. I'm still within that 3 days. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply remove this window right here and show you what the per subscription actually looks like in the back end when you actually sign up. So when you sign up, guys, you will be on your page like this, and once you're inside the Shopify, you will not really see much. You will just see that you have to set up everything, really. But to prove to you that you actually get this for free and you have the free trial and that you can get started, you will see that when you actually go to your settings on the lower left hand side, you can easily go ahead and access, for example, your plans and your billings. And I'm going to show you. So on the plan, you will see that I currently have this basic, right? And in general, it's €27 per month, and that it's not the cheapest, right? But once you get started with this, you get the 3 months, so you basically pay something like what, €3 for 3 months. That's amazing. You should be able to get a sale within that time to be able to actually pay this €27 per month, right? So as you can see here right now, they will be charging me €1 per month until the 15th of November, right? And so you will see how much I'll pay yearly. You'll see the rates. Now I'm going to also go ahead and show you the billings so that you see what's there. As you can see right here, I've added my details. You can see that I have no past billing because I just have this account brand new, and this is what I will be paying. Everything is clear, and you can see that you can get that. You can basically start for free, right? So guys, that's how easy it is. I'm going to go ahead and show you, for example, statements, charges right here to see if there's nothing, but you get the general idea. That's how you easily go ahead and set up your Shopify account. That's how you use Shopify for free, and you can easily go ahead and get started with Shopify for absolutely nothing. No money you pay to get started, and after that, you will basically see that you are able to use Shopify for €1 per month for the next 3 months. Here you can see my current billing cycle. You can see that it was just €0. I pay nothing. I just added my card, and that's it. So if you want to get started with Shopify for free, that's how you basically do it. Sign up, head over to the official website, enter your email address, answer a few questions, ensure that you verify your card. And guess what? Once your card verified, you can sign in, you can start create your store and start using Shopify. Keep in mind that if you want to use other extensions or other apps that will you'll have to pay, if those apps don't offer like a free trial, then you will have to pay those subscription upfront, right? But to use Shopify in general, you can get started for just €3 over 3 months, €1 per month. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.